So then, just taking delivery of the new motorcycle ramp. It is 150 kilograms. It is one of the cheaper ones you can get on the internet. Let's see if you can assemble it as a one-man band.
Show me how to get to know someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying.
So then, looking at it, I mean, it's obviously come in a very well protected box, but the bolts, the nuts and bolts are just spread out around the box. It's protected with cardboard, and of course it's just a tool, so you're not going to expect to keep it in mint condition, but you would expect it to come in mint condition. But it is the cheapest one you can get, so what would I expect? We'll have a bit more of an in-depth review once I've got it together. But for sure, I hope none of these bolts and nuts have slipped out, because they are all very, very loose.
In another love war, this ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright. In time, in time, my heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. It feels so right, it feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying, there's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying.
What is going on, people? So that is the lift all together. Now it went together relatively easy. It's a different day today, hence a different t-shirt, but yeah, he went together very easily. All I needed were two 17mm spanners or sockets or whatever. I haven't got my normal tools here with me, so I had to make do with an adjustable, but it's gone together, it's solid. I do have some spare bits of hardware, don't know where they go. Also came with this bar. Took me a little bit to figure out what I'm meant to do with this thing. I thought it might have been like a jack or something like that, you know, like a traditional trolley jack style, but it's actually, it's a stop. So you slide it through into these holes, and what it does is, if in the event that this super, if in the event that this super well made Chinese hydraulic jack were to fail, which is very, very unlikely, that'll catch it and stop the bike from slamming down. Of course, you shouldn't really be under it anyway, but yeah, to stop it from slamming down at pace, maybe stop it from bouncing off the jack, because I have noticed when you do put it down, when you give this, I'll just turn you around. So this is your down lever here, and it is super sensitive. Oh wait, I've mastered the art now, but yeah, you can, I'm not going to do it, but you can go too hard on that, like you would do on a normal jack, and the full thing will slam into the ground. So if in the event that that did fail, that little bar would catch it.